could tell 100 different stories by the adverse setting. The feeling of a man's first weapon. The ceiling on the bottom floor room never seen white speckles. It's evil when they hide like Jekyll. If bending over backwards till they make the last day special. It hurts when the back pain gets you, and that came with you when you showed up. Try to keep it pushing, but the past ain't let you. I can muscle up the soul to stay afloat, stay balanced, to sing another bad day ballad. I can muscle up the soul to stay afloat, stay balanced, to sing another bad day ballad. I can muscle up the soul to stay afloat, stay balanced, to sing another bad day ballad. I can muscle up the soul to stay afloat, stay balanced, to sing another bad day ballad. Swing swords, that's a metaphor. Never more clean things sworn. Word for settle core feelings always bring sing-song revelations. I've been battling with strong separation reflex. There ain't a place for me yet. But still I'm placing these bets. Pure hope, I can feel it between the therapy sessions and sore throats and dry eyes. The brink of collapse, and Lord knows how we made it. Still developing patient when war close. The seat is at the table, used to wonder how could I go on. They gon' throw me out if I show wrong. Every side of a person can serve a purpose when the light show gone. If you won't do it, who gon' write those songs? Nobody got the perspective except the records, that's the truth of the matter. I'ma take it off the roof if I had it to make it work. They done let me off the leash and the leap I'ma take first. Being happy and tripping the same hurt. I can muscle up the soul to stay afloat, stay balanced, to sing another bad day ballad. I can muscle up the soul to stay afloat, stay balanced, to sing another bad day ballad. I can muscle up the soul to stay afloat, stay balanced, to sing another bad day ballad. I can muscle up the soul to stay afloat, stay balanced, to sing another bad day ballad. I can muscle up the soul to stay afloat, stay balanced, to sing another bad day ballad. Now they got me saying Woosah, Woosah, I ain't tripping on the future. Woosah, now they got me saying Woosah, Woosah, I ain't tripping on the future. Woosah, cut them down the style when I swing swords. Who gon' cut me a break if I don't? I gave them my notes and now they say they want more. Like I got something to give, I know we live, son. Okay, the story goes empty clips, can't he miss? Thank me, you roll a little out of control. Give a marvelous show, break apart from the glow. Still a part of the empty scheme, still a part of the gold. Every hour we show the same scenes like MTV. Takes an artist to know, in the heart of the dough, it take a minute to get received. Ain't a home of my own, I can't look at my phone, and still it's niggas that envy me. It's hard to know you underrated when you hate to be debated. Now my dinner's at an all-time high. Now they got me saying Woosah, Woosah, I ain't tripping on the future. Woosah, now they got me saying Woosah, Woosah, I ain't tripping on the future. Woosah. If y'all don't mind doing it one more time, I'd like to introduce to you a change of mind. When a song play after a long day, everybody got a favorite line. And this, oh so sweet, the middle ground that the flavor's fine. So do it once if you really fucking hate the grind, and do it twice if your neighbor's fine. Let me hear you say Woosah, Woosah, I ain't tripping off the future. Woosah, hard to make it out the blocks, but he did. Celebrated and they mute ya. Woosah, now they got me saying Woosah, Woosah, I ain't tripping off the future. Woosah, hard to make it out the blocks, but he did. Celebrated and they mute ya. Woosah, now they got me saying Woosah, Woosah, I ain't tripping on the future. Woosah, hard to make it out the blocks, but celebrated and they mute ya. Woosah, now they got me saying Woosah, Woosah, I ain't tripping on the future. Woosah, hard to make it out the blocks, but celebrated and they mute ya. Woosah, now they got me saying Woosah, Woosah, I ain't tripping on the future. Woosah, hard to make it out the blocks, but celebrated and they mute ya. Woosah, now they got me saying Woosah, Woosah, I ain't tripping on the future. Woosah, hard to make it out the blocks, but celebrated and they mute ya. Woosah. around town in the loop, never ride with the mob of a group dolo like. Never had a shot in the booth till I took a couple shots of the truth. Put a couple red stripes in the cot on the roof, come alive at bedtime with a couple red wine in the spit take when it's time to produce. Still a bit risque for the genre, but who finna get up on the line? I go 0 to 14 quick, I love it when she need to get up on the line. Tryna chase him off and make him walk the wrong way. Lazy talk, Tremaine involved, Beyonce claim he raw, but base it off the wrong play. Get up out the line. Dog nigga with the heat like Intay. Tubo bring smoke for the sensei. Few crows, two bows to the maintain. So I let him doze off at the rent pay. Decline back for battle. Snakes coming to attack the mantle. Creep low when detach the rattle. Weak foes never sat the ladder. Looking through peepholes with a stack of chatter. For a few free clothes with a laugh of manner. Wag is magic, lacking manner. Watch your tone, you never track the data. They gon' I been entering a new phase. Might lose a shoelace or two base. Kick it when I push the loop. Your moves like Anna peruse the room. Lame niggas wanna win until they lose to you. Same niggas wanna hang, get your taste what you taste. A few case studies on the regular for me. I'm in position that they never could be. I make a moment in the minute and submit that shit irrevocably. Run around town in the loop, never ride with the mob of a group dolo like. Never had a shot in the booth till I took a couple shots of the truth. Put a couple red stripes in the cot on the roof, come alive at bedtime with a couple red wine in the spit take when it's time to produce. Still a bit risque for the genre, but who finna get up on the line? I go 0 to 14 quick, I love it when she need to get up on the line. Tryna chase him off and make him walk the wrong way. Lazy talk, Tremaine involved, Beyonce claim he raw, but base it off the wrong play. Get up out the line. I left the party, I can feel it, they Beyonce. Hit the session, lady, get it water than Deontay. I left the party, I can feel it, they Beyonce. Play that shit again, here record that shit for content. Run around town in the loop, never ride with the mob of a group dolo. Get up on the line. Never had a shot in the booth till I took a couple shots of the truth. Put a couple red stripes in the cot on the roof, come alive at bedtime with a couple red wine in the spit take when it's time to produce. Still a bit risque for the genre, but who finna get up on the line? Get up on the line! Get up on the line! Get up on the line! Tricked out my wits in the broad sun. Give me 4 more, man, I lost some. Shaky is the hand I hold this drink in. Give me 4 more, man, I dropped one. Navigate the chatter with a straight face. Silly sore thumbs wanna cross some. Give me 4 more, man, I lost some. Give me 4 seconds, ain't shit to the next man. When you on edge, that's what it's down to. That ain't an overstatement of value. Notice the blocks are breaking around you. Notice the shoulders shaking, the crown move. Still holding my form and shape in the round room. The best that I can. Swing it back with my right hand. Cause if the punch connects enough to keep me extra tough, then maybe heart could be solution like Streisand. This shit moving slow-mo like FOMO choices. Give me like 4 more minutes inside this bone cold Guinness. I get it back if you give me the time to do so. Take a new tone, a new approach to this decision making. Places we done been amazing, ain't they? 22 young for chasing my heyday, so let's make a toast to the birth of an older soul. And yes, let's pay respects to the ones who embracing death. Ain't no layers finna save you. Hope you ready for this cold, cold winter. Snowed in, no wind to this cold, cold winter. No winds, old friends in this cold, cold winter. Snowed in, no wind to this cold, cold winter. Tricked out my wits in the broad sun. Give me 4 more, man, I lost some. If I can find the bottom of this drink, then I'ma make a mistake. The clarity feels sweetest after the sediment settles and footprints fresh. Bruise your chest, who's success? Who did more? Who did less? Few confess, choose confused and validated moves than rest. And on the 8th day, I plan to vacate the upper echelon. Cut the lights and the light promotions and settle storms. Eternal nights in my world, living was never born. And afterlife is something we pondering while the kettle warms. The sun itself never rises, the moon is caught in perpetual launch. Tries to overtake the horizon. Go, take the baton, whatever your name is on, tied down. Winds are moving around inside this cold, cold winter. Snowed in, no wind to this cold, cold winter. No winds, old friends in this cold, cold winter. snowed in, no wind to this cold, cold winter. Think I'm out of my mind. Look at you, look at me. What we do shouldn't be possible. I think I'm out of my mind. Look at you, look at me. What we do shouldn't be possible. I think I'm out of my mind. But who's to say I had it in the first place? The proof is in the habits on the worst days. Confusion only happens when I'm out of my mind. The hands on the clock don't turn every minute, every hour, every second. So the rest of the homies will think I'm manic obsessing. And yeah, I'm out of my mind. But only if you're looking at me sideways. Sidestep boogie on the highway. Dance the pain away. Feel the frame delay. Film the fall. And you can feel the change today. Out of my mind. And if you catch the reverse, roll up the windows and talk to me first. Let's up the reverb. And I think I'm out of my mind. Look at you, look at me. What we do shouldn't be possible. I think I'm out of my mind. Look at you, look at me. What we do shouldn't be possible. I think I'm out of my mind. I don't doze off the same way. I done pulled off the game face. I done turned off the mainframe. But ain't no peace of mind, way too deep to find second chances. All my restrictions been self-inflicted, that's true. I'ma still call it a bad move, cause just in case I rebound the big smiles and lasting impressions. That's what's so precious, I can sell sections off in my benefit. I've been weighing options, I ain't never did take off the wall if I ain't relevant. Like who I'm making decisions on the behalf of, who been making decisions in my cut it, I'm falling behind, cut it, I'm flowing design, cut it, and I think I'm out of my mind. Look at you, look at me, what we do shouldn't be possible. I think I'm out of my mind. Look at you, look at me, what we do shouldn't be possible. I think I'm out of my mind. I think I'm out of my mind. I think I'm out of my mind. That's when the juice come best of all. It go room to room and don't test the walls. Who's to choose what's acceptable? Who's to choose when none left to call? Accept the noise. Keep acting like I ain't survived by the skin of my teeth. Seen them all command names trying to minimize me. Yeah, one time for the vibes. Come along for the ride. Lead a scene in a hearse. Come alive and arrive. And assuming every line we provide holds weight. We be taking on a few more plates. Ain't no roof on the tail. We expanding all directions. Every section and assume more space. I'm out of my mind. Look at you, look at me. What we do shouldn't be possible. I think I'm out of my mind. Look at you, look at me. What we do shouldn't be possible. I think I'm out of my mind. I think I'm out of my mind. I think I'm out of my mind.
Oh, shit. All the cups looking bone dry. Loosen up that bow tie. Cut the rope, let your soul fly. You gon' talk if you don't try.
Measure my reach, follow my better side, never my lead. Hold on, freeze, please keep an eye on the mixer. This shit calls for a dash of a pretty cold breeze. Hurricane with the cane sooner. Sue us, sweeter than sugar cane shoots her. Few more hours in the satellite made would've took me down the highlight rate. Tryna run around a ego changer. We no chaser, relocation. Look a little something like go, my nigga. Put you in the back while they study in the past like lo-fi, nigga. Alright, hold tight, nigga, might spot some. Hands on the jizz, bitch, a nigga might drop some. Bands on the pins if you did it right. Pop, go to bubble every other night. Follow like, tell them be safe, be safe. Paranoid, you never slow with delay. Is it set in stone? Who gon' make it home forever? We play, we play. Be safe, be safe. Paranoid, you never slow with delay. Is it set in stone? Who gon' make it home? All you gotta do is breathe. 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 Microdose and bravado up on the back end, huh? Over oxygenated to make it happen, huh? Still awaiting another break in action, huh? Cause wrinkled faces are enemies of the passion, huh? You do a big, ain't it? You don't respond to the methods of cooler kids, baby. Your word is bond and your presence a new event, baby. You got them shaking and taking a new defense, baby. Remove the fence, baby. And all the cups looking bone dry. Loosen up the bow tie, nigga. Cut the rope, let your soul fly, nigga. You gon' choke if you don't try, nigga. You only losing if you don't buy into these moments out the clutches of the mortal man. It take a tombstone just to understand. It take a two-tone just to understand. So I ain't move the same either way. We don't play, we just tell them be safe, be safe. Paranoid, you never slow with delay. Is it set in stone? Who gon' make it home forever? We play, we play. Be safe, be safe. Paranoid, you never slow with delay. Is it set in stone? Who gon' make it home? All you gotta do is be safe, be safe. Paranoid, you never slow with delay. Is it set in stone? Who gon' make it home forever? We play, we play. Be safe, be safe. Paranoid, you never slow with delay. Is it set in stone? Who gon' make it home? All you gotta do is breathe. Yeah, we could do it like that. Everybody wanna be, but my hopes and my dreams I ain't fooling no. When I cry and I bleed till it overflow, but my heart on my sleeve will overload. Everybody wanna be, but my hopes and my dreams I ain't fooling no. When I cry and I bleed till it overflow, but my heart on my sleeve will overload. Everybody wanna be, so I gave her ass a peace sign. We gon' leave the money off to mine like a Nissan. Tryna throw some shade on the moment whenever we shine. We gon' need control of the motion wherever we sign. Tryna play the fence like it wouldn't leave me defenseless. Tough to circle back when they pay you to be pretentious. Everywhere I look, I see people concealing textures. I've been gifted with potential that's deeper than 3 dimensions. Everybody wanna be peacemaker, the heat taker, the beat shaker. Salute the scholars, we dominating in each major. The ease maker, leads quaking, knees breaking. We take a leaf, fake allegiance, at least take a beat. Blessings getting counted on the count of my lines. What I find been intercepted, white lies will feed the rest. Is my eyes been pre-selected, my eyes been pre-deception. Two records to put it all in perspective, and everybody wanna be. Hey, and my hopes and my dreams I ain't falling no. When I cry and I bleed till it overflow, and my heart on my sleeve will overload. Everybody wanna be, but my hopes and my dreams I ain't falling no. When I cry and I bleed till it overflow, and my heart on my sleeve will overload. Everybody wanna be, I do the most and say the motherfucking least. I put my name in conversation, adjacent to domination. Moderation is a motherfucking reach. See, I can sell $1 to the bank if I feel like. The camera reel a real men and roll it in real life. The fallacy of freedom falling victim to field life. The label ain't no different if the ownership's still white. And they'll get rubbed the wrong way with a song play, that's my bad. Bent up to the dense touch where I stand. Where I land after maybe an island. Somewhere beyond the islands. Isolated in silence. Empty water to dive in. Empty promise to silence. Visitation and sign in. 99 in the new school. Double checking assignments. Till the shit that I left out manifest in my right hand. Catch me out in the daytime. Triple tick in the night. Everybody wanna be. But my hopes and my dreams, I ain't falling no. When I cry and I bleed till it overflow. With my heart on my sleeve through the overload. But my hopes and my dreams, I ain't falling no. When I cry and I bleed till it overflow. With my heart on my sleeve through the overload. Okay, everybody working overtime. People been phoning over this flow of mine. Straighten out the stitch. Me and my niggas is so aligned. Try to thread the needle, they treating me like a threat. Bitch, I'm coming for your motherfucking neck. Give me the microphone first with no rehearsal. I'm redefining, refine, re-examining motives and reaching out for a sign. Redesigning the motor, the motion moving electric, double low, space to X's. I'm itching the Tesla, man, and incremental incentives. I know everybody wanna be. But my hopes and my dreams, I ain't fooling no. When I cry and I bleed till it overflow. With my heart on my sleeve through the overload. Everybody wanna be. But my hopes and my dreams, I ain't fooling no. When I cry and I bleed till it overflow. With my heart on my sleeve through the overload. Everybody wanna be. Ease up, need some, freeze us, right now, $3, Jesus, need some, pipe down, ease up, need some, freeze us, right now, $3, Jesus, need some, pipe down. Everybody knew what I needed before I needed it. Bitch, how the fuck that work? I done networks in touch with the touch up first, and y'all niggas ain't worth a damn. Too elite in my bracket to have to hack it with actors who out of practice is the truth, yeah. Hatchet in my hand while I'm climbing in your window. Thought that they could buy me in the backyard, leave them with a slice like Kimbo. Window rooms that they never would let him in. That's where they sending him, popping the sentiment. How do we enter into hypocrisy? Head events with lesser than less men. Make it make sense for I blow my views. The contacts we made in convex, containable context like Yankee fans. I'm talking all the Lawrence with a scissor, whipping in the fucking. Spent 4 seasons prepping for 40 more in events. No keys and notice a fucking mole in events. Yo seed and point when you in 10th and you fighting for a spot to make a dent. Little nigga with a my bad. No, you gotta weave through the trees, try to bobcat. Bitch, you a bonafide scrub. Reach through the hole in my turn, trying to find my range is a little too draining. Ease up, need some, freeze us, right now, $3, Jesus, need some, pipe down, ease up, need some, freeze us, right now, $3, Jesus, need some, pipe down, ease up, need some, freeze us, right now, $3, Jesus, need some, pipe down, ease up, need some, freeze us, right now, $3, Jesus, need some, pipe down. Please don't talk like I need some from your high horse. Never been the place to speak from. For the right source of exaggerated freedom. Fees come running, yelling, please somebody throw a lifeline. Seas can't grow when the nighttime spans too far and wide. If I shake the room and knock down the walls and make it hard to hide in plain sight, I'm playing the game right, but I've been out of pocket trying to find a way to stock it. I just had to hit a socket for the charge. Ease up, need some, freeze us, right now, $3, Jesus, need some, pipe down, ease up, need some, freeze us, right now, $3, Jesus, need some, pipe down. Are you okay? Like really? I'm fine.
If I'ma be sad, I'ma do it with pizzazz.
And shake these feelings off my ass. Don't find me in some glitter if I crash.
Do it with pizzazz.
Cause if the feeling never passed, then at least I flip the shit into some cash.
Do it with pizzazz.
Every hour spent in isolation makes it easier to face annihilation.
I'ma do it with pizzazz.
Either you gon' shake or be shaking, and I just ain't the type to keep waiting.
Do it with pizzazz.
Peeking through the glass. Could've kept the purpose running if we could do the lab. Could've kept perspective on the hold if I relax. Folks will drain the focus till it pivot on the lab. It's written on the backs to the niggas with the mask. If the liquor getting passed, I'ma sip it either that or position myself inside a moment with a stimulus. I'm supposed to balance when my slipping continuous. Deal with this in confident confines. That's par for the course. I'm causing a ruckus. It's about time. I carry heavy boulders trying to shoulder the loads of me and mine up the task. So if I'ma be sad,
I'ma do it with pizzazz.
and shake these feelings off my ass. Don't find me in some glitter if I crash.
Do it with pizzazz.
Cause if the feeling never passed, then at least I flip the shit into some cash.
Do it with pizzazz.
Every hour spent in isolation makes it easier to face annihilation.
I'ma do it with pizzazz.
Either you gon' shake or be shaking, and I just ain't the type to keep waiting.
Do it with pizzazz.
I deserve a moment of elation. I'm more than just a single situation. And if the clouds would separate enough for me to delegate the roughest parts of living, I could grow enough to love precipitation. And understand the rain is more than simple inconvenience. It'll force your skin to show you its allegiance. It'll force the better parts of you to handle what your heart can do and juggle you to safety. Oh, the game he plays genius. Still I keep my eyes low and look for comfort in the light show. Easy to run from feelings pride produced and I've deduced the closest thing to proper juice is lowercase W's. Ain't gon' chase none of these niggas. I still recover dues and other news. Misconceptions force us in the oven too. Gas them up, they call smog, blocking out your sun and moon. Judging where your soul gon' lay, oh, the way they lying too. They gon' make incredible statements on what's inside of you. Imagine that snake shaking to get they rattle back. Imagine that painstaking patience I had to stack. An avalanche of emotions a simple man can lack will coincide inside of your chest and feign a heart attack. Steady breathing been my only solace. Cause them the moments that's gon' show you promise and hold you closer to yourself than any meditative practice is magic. If I'ma be sad, I'ma do it with pizzazz. And shake these feelings off my ass. Don't find me in some glitter if I crash. Do it with pizzazz. Cause if the feeling never passed, then at least I flip the shit into some cash. Do it with pizzazz. Every hour spent in isolation makes it easier to face annihilation. I'ma do it with pizzazz. Either you gon' shake or be shaking, and I just ain't the type to keep waiting. Do it with pizzazz.